Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I am at Anfield for my weekly Anfield Road expansion update, and it's Christmas Eve. No one's on site, there's no banging going on, there's no shouting going on. You see there the crane is taking a little rest, so I have a little fly around, a little chat, and I'll be able to get a little bit closer than I usually can as well because no one's here. So let's get on with it. So this corner, you know, let's see if there's anything going on down here. There's some little bits of steel work going on there, but as you see these corners here, the platform's getting put in now. So they're taking shape. See the lift shaft coming right through the centre of it. So oh yeah, and the other shoulder piece on the main stand side is in place as well, so all spans are in place now. Now if there's any more spans to go in, I don't know, I doubt it, but I'll get right above it. I'll have a little scan right across the roof. So we have the last span that went in place just there. All the front spans to the left hand side. Get nice and close here, it's great. The sun's quite bright, so I'm trying to keep the camera away from the sun if I can, but on some shots it'll be unavoidable, so I apologise for that. And here's the other, the final, what's it called, the shoulder span is it called, in place now. And that's that there. So it's looking really well. Let's have a little look at the pitch. Got the Prem starting again soon. This weekend. Liverpool don't play till the weekends after. Day before New Year's Eve, innit? Yeah. Losing track of days anyway with it being Christmas period. You forget what day you're on. So there's a... What's going on there? Pitch markings really faint, aren't they? And tape going. Is that a piece of tape going right down the centre of the pitch? Is that just the camera? I don't know. I'll have a closer look when I get it into editing. And see, the old roof still in place, didn't come off at all during the World Cup, which I'll add was a very good World Cup. I enjoyed it. I'm not really interested in European international football, but I enjoyed this World Cup. Here's a dog taking an interest in me. Yeah, go away, dog. And off it goes. Right, so let's get on this side. So I can get a little bit closer than usual because no one's on site, no games are taking place, so yeah, I can get up close and personal to the ground. Just check my surroundings so I can drop down a touch. Yeah, I'm alright there. and we'll have a look inside. It looks done really close for them, not. Oh, dropping down. This nice and. Yeah. Just trying to adjust the. The exposure, so it's not too dark. Right, so that's that there. I can spin around here. Get a good look at the stands. And this crane taking a bow. I'm in the park, and it looks though I'm pretty much right up to the stand, and I'm not. The drone is almost above me. Yeah, let's look down. See, I'm well in the park. There's me there. So yeah, I'm not as close as the camera makes out. Anyway, let's carry on with the scan across. You'll be able to hear the drone on the microphone and we're going right above my head now. So loads and loads of work's gone on. You know, especially with the then spans being lifted into place as well. So I'll get round here back to where I was, and then I'll go slightly up, and we'll go just above the crane, and we'll have a top-down view of everything. Well, let me show I'm definitely above that crane, which I am. But the crane goes slightly above the stand, you see, so I know I'm well above the stands. I'll have to have a top-down view of everything. There won't be much to look at because no one's here. You get a good idea of how close this camera makes everything look. You know, well above that crane. It looks though it's like going to poke the camera in the eye. Yeah, it's miles away. So there's some steels down there. That looks though they're going to be assembled to do something. That car park is very clear now. So as you see, the platforms haven't been put into this corner yet. So that's probably going to be the next thing when you come back after Christmas and New Year. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. Try and get as many angles as I can. But I'm going to be putting it's Christmas Eve today actually. I'm going to be putting a video out tomorrow, Christmas Day. A little bit of a thank you video. It's going to be from where I grew up as a kid. The place got a little bit of history to it, so I'm not going. This is going to be a future video. Though tomorrow's going to be more of a thank you video for everyone that's subscribed and be watching videos. But it's a little taster of what the video will be eventually, because it's got quite a bit of history of where I grew up. I won't mention it now. If you watch it, then you do. If not, I'll wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You don't get to watch tomorrow's video, okay? I just want to thank everyone for the support they've shown, or the kindness they've shown. I say in the future I want to do good with this channel, so hopefully I'll be able to do it. Yeah, I'm just over 3 months old now with the channel. over 4,000, well over 4,000 subscribers. It's growing and the views are getting more and more, so I just want to thank everyone for that and the continued support everyone shows me. So I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll speak to you all the next one. I hope everyone watches it, and Merry Christmas and keep yourself safe. Bye now.